Are you a press-to-talk application user, applications like Zello or walkiefleet? Then you don't want to miss this video. We have some awesome tech for you coming up. So you have the app open on your phone, logged in and all, but then you get busy and your phone ends up in your pocket, and that's when you hear it.
Fricky, are you there, Fricky?
As quick as possible you try to get your phone out to reply.
I'm standing by.
Well, this tech will help with that. Let's take a look at the device. But before we do, if you like tech like this and you're interested in more tech like this, subscribe to our channel not to miss out on our next videos. But back to our device, the Anysecu Bluetooth speaker microphone with its PTT button. So the box contains your Bluetooth speaker microphone, an adapter for your charger, a cable, a belt hook, and a battery. You can get this device in two options. The first option is the microphone only, same as the one we have here. They're priced around 1,100 Rand. The second option is the microphone with a desktop charger cradle and costs around 1,500 Rand. So let's start to assemble the device. This microphone works with a 4.2 Bluetooth chip and comes with a 2000 mAh battery. Specification sheet claims a 14-hour talk time. It comes with a clip at the back to help you carry it in better to use places. The specifications also states that it takes 2.5 hours to charge and it has a Bluetooth range of up to 10 meters. This device has a LED indicator, a SOS button, volume up and down, with the important one, the press to talk button. Now let's pair the device. I will test it on my Samsung in this video, but I have used it on my iPhone 10 and it was working great. There is some negatives. As far as the 14-hour talk time on the battery, our test did come a bit short of that, and the Bluetooth range was a bit less than 10 meters, but that is terrain dependent. With the Android's pairing there was no problem and worked with the apps no problem. But my iPhone pairing was also no problem and worked with Zello without a hitch, but walkiefleet I had to uninstall the app and reinstall, and all was working great after that. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I hope you have found our video to be helpful. Please subscribe or like our channel for more videos like this and share your opinions in the comments below. For this video is
Over and out.